Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be cleaning out my fridge, doing a grocery haul, and restocking. Let's get started. Alright, I'm all done with the fridge. Looks a lot better. Now on to the grocery haul. Hi again. This is all the groceries I got from Walmart. It usually lasts about 3 weeks before I kind of have to start buying like more bread or just odds and ends. I still buy fresh fruit here and there, but this is kind of what I do. I go shopping once a month, and I feel like it saves me money doing it this way. But I guess let's get to the grocery haul. Okay. Got some green juice. My son drinks that. And some almond milk. We are a vegetarian household. We do eat a lot of vegan products though, but we don't eat meat. And we've got wheat thins. I like to eat this in my soup. And graham crackers. My son likes that with peanut butter. Some cheese. More cheese and some feta cheese. Even more vanilla. Here's some almond milk, vanilla yogurt. And got some dark sweet cherries. I like this in my oatmeal. I usually have oatmeal every morning because it's quick and easy. Some corn chips. And then I got some frozen strawberries because I'm going to try to make, it's kind of a type of boba tea. Been wanting to try out. I got some pizza for my son. This right here was a replacement because they were out of this brand, which I like a lot. This is really good. You can't even really tell a difference between this and a regular pasta. My son really likes the Morningstar brand of fake meat, chicken nuggets, some more chicken tenders, corn dogs, Morningstar brand, and the Morningstar brand veggie burgers. Got dairy-free dark chocolate. I put that in my oatmeal too, and also make chocolate chip cookies with it. My son really likes these crackers. I buy 2 of these boxes because he goes through them like crazy. Yeah, we got the pasta. And he also likes this Annie's mac and cheese. And got a half a carton of eggs. And these Smart Dogs, which I usually make these with croissant rolls, which I'm not sure where, oh, they're right there. Croissant rolls. My son likes that a lot. SpaghettiOs. Here's some spray oil. And we use this on our popcorn with the air popper. This is really good too. Alright, and the produce, got spinach, melon, strawberries, blueberries, bananas, carrots, onion, and some cilantro, and all our bread. Oranges. Didn't buy a whole lot of vegetables because we usually have frozen vegetables, which we still have a lot. I buy frozen vegetables because it's more convenient and quicker to make. Reusable bags. They're nice to have. Let's see here. These drinks are really good. And some protein. This is a vegan protein powder. Also got this tricolor rotini and some orzo, which I've never tried, and I was wanting to try it. Try to make this soup that I saw on a YouTube channel, Sarah's Vegan Kitchen. It looked really good. I'm gonna try to make it better than bouillon. My son likes this on his sandwiches. PB2. This is really good. Low fat. More Italian seasoning. Applesauce. I use this for like an oil replacement, sometimes in baked goods, to make it where it's not so unhealthy. Can't really tell a difference in my opinion. And then the naan bread, which we eat with hummus, and we've already got some hummus in the fridge. Some plant butter. This stuff's really good. This is our favorite. Some tortillas and some treats. Sugar cookies. And Oreos. We really like Oreos. Gotta have a treat every once in a while. This is the hummus I buy. This is probably the best hummus I've tried by far. And my son eats just the plain one, the plain hummus, the same brand. Alright, I think I got everything. I'm pretty sure. There might be, oh, this right here. These. I bought a couple of these because there's a couple of employees that I work with that are coming down sick, and I figured I'd get some of these. And we got some jelly. Got a glare here. Alright. Pretty sure that's everything. Now I'm going to restock the fridge. See you soon. Alright, here's the restock, the freezer, and the fridge. And that's all I have for today's video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content in the future. Bye.